There's alarming new information about the Cybertruck explosion outside the Trump International Hotel in Las Vegas.
In today's episode, we delve into the latest developments surrounding Tesla, including an in-depth look at the combustion Cybertruck, the Model Y Juniper, and the concerning drop in Tesla sales for 2024. Additionally, we discuss Elon Musk's advocacy for your right to repair. Tesla has been making headlines recently, but unfortunately, the coverage has not been favorable. It's likely that your friends, family, and even your healthcare provider have shared their thoughts on the matter. However, our focus today is to clarify the events surrounding the infamous Cybertruck incident that occurred at a Trump-branded hotel. As is often the case, this story was accompanied by a barrage of misleading and inaccurate media headlines, which only added to the confusion from the outset. One particularly cringeworthy headline from the Associated Press exemplifies this trend. The reality is, we could continue to dissect this situation for quite some time. The images and videos circulating may not effectively convey the reality of a Cybertruck engulfed in flames or the security footage capturing its explosion. If that were your only source of information, it would paint a clear picture. A self-igniting Cybertruck clearly at fault, likely due to its battery. Many have long considered these vehicles to be potential fire hazards. However, it's crucial to clarify that the Cybertruck did not spontaneously explode. While it played a significant role in the incident, the narrative pushed by the media was misleading. For those who followed the story closely, it eventually became clear that the explosion was caused by a detonation within the Cybertruck.
A New Year's Day explosion on the Las Vegas Strip was apparently partially planned using artificial intelligence.
I think this is the first incidents that I'm aware of on U.S. soil where ChatGPT is utilized to help an individual build a particular device.
Tragically, this person also fatally shot himself just before the explosion. If you're part of the Tesla community or keep up with news on platforms like X, you might have been aware of the true events from the beginning. Unfortunately, the average person is still relying on the initial reports, and while some news outlets corrected their headlines, many others failed to provide follow-up coverage, which is a significant issue.
If he was to achieve a high-order detonation of that, it would have been a significantly different blast.
We aim to present the facts here, steering clear of speculation regarding motives or the individuals involved. Those discussions can take place in the comments. The reality is that the Cybertruck exploded due to the presence of explosives, specifically fireworks-style mortars, camping fuel, and gasoline tanks, all hidden within the truck's cabin and bed. These were believed to have been detonated by the individual inside the vehicle. Elon's reaction. Elon Musk's initial public response to the recent incident has been hailed by PR experts as a textbook example of crisis management. He announced that the entire Tesla senior team is currently investigating the situation and promised to share updates as more information becomes available. In a swift follow-up on X, Elon confirmed that the explosion was caused by large fireworks or a bomb placed in the bed of a rented Cybertruck, clarifying that it had no connection to the vehicle itself. He emphasized that all vehicle telemetry was normal at the time of the explosion. Elon pointed out that the Cybertruck was an unfortunate choice for anyone intending to inflict harm, stating that the vehicle effectively contained the explosion and directed the blast upwards, resulting in no damage to the lobby's glass doors. Remarkably, he noted that the battery pack remained intact and did not catch fire, and the tires were still fully inflated. Once the Cybertruck is returned to Tesla, it will be thoroughly examined. We will polish away the scratches and have it back on the road in no time. Law enforcement has corroborated the limited damage. Elon Musk has dispatched a Tesla team to retrieve any footage of the incident involving the Cybertruck. In light of the misleading headlines, he is reportedly contemplating legal action against the media outlets that portrayed the story in a damaging manner. Additionally, 1,767 Tesla shareholders, representing over 5 million shares, have urged the board to consider legal recourse against these inaccurate reports. On the flip side, many are viewing this incident as a testament to the Cybertruck's durability. The Cybertruck's steel exterior, measuring 1.8 millimeters thick on the doors and 1.4 millimeters elsewhere, is nearly double the thickness of an average vehicle's body. Furthermore, stainless steel offers significantly greater heat resistance compared to standard aluminum panels. While Tesla's design team primarily focused on safeguarding the truck from external threats, it turns out that their robust construction also provides remarkable resilience in extreme situations. Juniper inbound. There's been a lot of buzz lately about the Juniper Model Y, especially among potential buyers in various European countries. It's understandable that confusion has arisen, particularly with the recent surge in wait times for a new Tesla, which have now extended to 6 months. It feels reminiscent of the situation in 2021. Certain trims of the Model Y are showing delivery estimates pushing into May and June of 2025, echoing the pattern we saw with the Model 3 refresh last year. This strongly suggests that Tesla is gearing up to unveil something new soon. In the meantime, we have exciting new spy shots of the Model Y Juniper. A recent video from San Jose, California captures the vehicle in action, though we advise against filming while driving. Additionally, we've received some intriguing images from Spain that reveal changes such as the rear camera being repositioned and seats that appear to be similar to those in the Model 3. Our colleague Dominic continues to rely on his renderings based on these spy shots, and we anticipate that they will align with what's to come. Interestingly, there are also some unusual developments with the camouflaged Model 3s that are worth keeping an eye on. The current buzz in the automotive world is centered around the intriguing possibility that Tesla might be making additional enhancements to the recently updated Model 3 Highland. Imagine if they were to integrate features like the new Cyber Light Bar headlights or revamped rear lights. Given Tesla's reputation for frequent product iterations, this speculation doesn't seem too far-fetched. As for the numbers, 2024 saw a remarkable 1,789,226 new Teslas on the roads globally. While Tesla fell short of its ambitious Q4 targets despite various year-end incentives, they still achieved an impressive delivery figure of 495,570 vehicles in that quarter, setting a new record for the company. However, this performance resulted in a slight decline in overall annual deliveries compared to 2023, marking a decrease of 19,355 vehicles or about 1.07%. Many financial analysts are labeling this as a significant setback for Tesla, especially considering the previous expectations of a 50% year-over-year production growth through the 2030s. Indeed, 2024 has been a peculiar year for Tesla, but it's important to recognize that not all hope is lost. There remains a substantial opportunity for the company if they can successfully launch their new vehicles slated for the first half of 2025. If Tesla can deliver exciting new models at attractive price points, we could witness a strong recovery in 2025. Mark your calendars for Tesla's Q4 2024 earnings call on January 29, 2025, where we will provide updates and insights on their expectations for the upcoming year. I appreciate you joining me on this deep dive into the world of the Cybertruck. If you found some new insights or enjoyed a good chuckle, please take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your most outrageous Cybertruck theories in the comments below. Until we meet again, stay energized and keep those positive vibes flowing. Catch you later.